Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing my twin disc clutch. It finally got here. I got it through MFACTORY. They gave me a really good deal for a XCLUTCH twin disc. It's gonna be a 9-inch clutch packs. It's supposed to be good for like 1200 torque.
Really?
I was currently running the ACT Stage 3, I believe. It's a 6-puck race. I'll add it. Lasted, I want to say almost 2 years. It did last quite a while, maybe 40,000 miles. I did baby the car. I did race it every once in a while, but definitely want to put it on port injection and do some full 85. Try to get maybe a 10-second quarter-mile pass. And yeah, so you definitely need a little bit of a stronger clutch, and the other one's already slipping, so give you a glimpse at this one. This is going to be the XCLUTCH. Oh yeah. Crossed out my information. I'm gonna cut it open and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got that first sleeve taken off. It's like a sleeve. We'll cut this open and then we'll slide it up. We'll be good. The box looks pretty cool. Alright, cool, so let's get this open. There's some at the bottom, so. Alright, cool. So we got this tab open. Damn. Performance clutch and flywheel specialist. XCLUTCH.
Whoa.
Damn, so they threw in some cool stickers here. These are a little messed up, but it's fine. They're white. They'd probably be kinda got some really cool ones here. These are gonna be dope. Might have to find a spot for them. I think I already got a nice spot where I put my dock race one. These are sick. That's dope, for sure. So yeah, huge thanks to XCLUTCH for those stickers. Those are gonna look sick. Probably gonna throw them in the engine bay, so we're gonna pop the hood open at shows or car meets or whatever. People can see kind of like what's going on with the build. I think that'll be the third sticker. I have 3 Means Go, our brand, Talk Race, and this will be the third one. And we'll keep adding to them as people keep helping us and helping us reach our goals faster and stuff. But cool. So we got a cool pamphlet. Let's see what it says inside. Street and motorsport upgrades, leading technology, engineered in-house, highest quality components, and a U.S. technical support. These are just some different clutch kits they have available, depending if you want like stage 1, stage 3, motorsport, flywheels, multi-disc, stuff like that. Different clutch pack sizes. We have 9, so we have the highest one. That's pretty cool. We have ceramic, not carbon, but carbon would be too much. This is what the clutch should look like. Twin disc.
Here it is. Instructions to fit in, have everybody like you, and always be happy.
So that's really useful. That'll come in handy. This is the second time doing it, so it won't be too bad. So yeah, my last clutch kit with the Act one, it didn't come with any instructions. They do have a video on YouTube, but this is something we ran into, the BMW release bearing.
Are you kidding me? After all this work, I have to drop the trams again?
That'll save you guys a second time and have to redo it. Here are just some basic guidelines before throwing on the clutch. They throw in a couple of stuff just to watch out for. Alright, so the first thing this kit comes with is the metal throwout bearing. If you install this one, anytime you press the clutch, it's going to make a metal grinding noise. Your current one is plastic, so it doesn't make that noise. It kind of soaks up some of the vibrations. But this one is going to make you sound like a real track car anytime you press in the clutch. Just something to look out for if yours is a daily and you kind of care what people say. I personally don't care, so we're going to fully send it. I don't want the plastic one breaking. I had just done it, so it's pretty cool that this comes with it. That'll be a good improvement, especially if you're putting down that power. I'll see if I can add some examples, see if anybody wants to help me out and get it. Again, this clutch is supposed to hold 1200 torque, so maybe that's why they throw it in. Something else that's included is this metal alignment tool. That's really cool that it's metal. Probably a lot more sturdy. I know a lot of clutches, they come with the plastic one. My Act came with one, but it really sucked, and the fact that it was plastic made it even worse. Funny it says Act. But yeah, I'd say it's a big improvement. Thank you for including that. This is a complete kit. It comes with everything. I currently have an MFACTORY flywheel, but this comes with its own custom flywheel, so that'll be cool too. Alright, cool. So this will be the clutch. This thing's bolted, so I actually don't have any tools right now, so I'm sorry. That's whack. Alright, so I don't have the tools currently on me to take these bolts off to remove the face and show it to you. But as you can see, here's a flywheel, custom flywheel. Still gonna have chatter like my other single mass. Yeah, I mean, it looks super nice. Sorry I wasn't able to open it up. Once opened though, it should look pretty similar to this. It just should look like this, you know? I'll open it up later for another video, probably for the install. So the clutch looks like a piece of art. That looks amazing. The purple color to it looks really cool. It's a really cool tint. Obviously you can't see it in there, but just something. Came with everything that you would need for like the simple clutch install, other than like a few bolts that are one-time use and stuff. A pretty complete kit. Really excited to start using it. Hopefully we'll have it in a couple of days or weeks. Want to give a big thank you to MFACTORY again for giving us a good deal on this. Besides that, they just had some really good shipping and their customer service was really good and easy to work with, so that made it a really easy choice for us. And the XCLUTCH as well, just for making a great product. Really excited to try it out. It's a quarter-mile times and some half-mile events. Hopefully soon here. We do have a track not that far away from here, maybe an hour or so. It's at Verona racetrack, so that'll be cool to test out the car and just see where we can take our times and see how we can build the brand and build the car as we go with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't, comment what we did wrong below.